Okay, just want to make a quick video lesson on kind of a mess up today that I did. Let me just show the daily chart here. We're dealing with MDIA, communication services. Um, we got a float of 1.9 million. We're doing insane volume, as you can see, up over 300% on the day. It's doing good. I missed this initial high day break here. Totally missed it. I saw it later on. After I saw it, this halt and spike, I figured if it comes back to the 775, I think that was the high day. Looking like it. 775. I thought we can get a solid short squeeze, low float. Sector's been running the past ever since kind of like last Thursday. It's been warming up for this sector, and we're breaking out here. I just had my initial trade, which I'll go through right now. I got just really simple high day break, added a little bit, and then just took off into the spike, and it just really took off. I got out right before it got halted, unfortunately, and then we got a nice spike, and then we dip, and we just keep holding. And what do we hold? We hold the mid to high eights, we'll call it, for that breakout. And here we're holding right around the 8 level. Once we get the confirmation with the volume coming back, and as you can see here, the volume, once this happened, it was just insane. Complete difference, different story than the morning. So it had the volume to sustain more momentum upwards. So we just, as you can see, this is a perfect trend right here. It just keeps heading higher. Each dip fails to break. Shorts keep getting squeezed. And it was just my fault for kind of taking it off my radar after I saw this move, kind of just thinking it's over. Um, it failed to break down, and it's a low float. It was holding a key level, and I butchered that. So could have been something nice, because after that, we see the resistance levels up here in the 16s, 17s, and that's exactly what it got to here late day. So, wow, that's actually quite nice. And just looking if it could break this, we're going to all-time highs. So we'll see what happens. Maybe this thing pulls an SGOC. We got an SGOC here. We got from yesterday. Supernova. I nailed part of this too. Did not capture nearly enough. And I didn't really like it today. I didn't really see a play. Besides, you got this previous high at daybreak. It's just up way too much. And there's so many other plays that don't have the range of dropping now. So up here, like the risk reward to me is just completely different. Way up here, I understand it. It's a pattern of mine. I'm still tracking whatnot. This is definitely going to my spreadsheets, but just wasn't comfortable. There's so many other plays that have better risk reward that aren't up so much and could just drop any moment. Yeah, I'll take that anytime. So ignore this, and I'm going to continue to ignore this until we put a red day and I could potentially get a multi-day bounce after that. Um, but yeah, are these the same sector? One second. Communication service. Nope, different sectors. But yeah, these two sectors right now are popping off. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's kind of it with that. Just gotta not give up. Not give up on a play. If it fails to break down and there's volume, doesn't really matter how much it's up on the day, as we can see, it's gonna give you the spike. And should have just paid more attention. So that's really the lesson. Just really keep paying attention even after the spike happens, because if it fails to break down on a low float in a hot sector, shorts will get squeezed, and that's the lesson as we can see here.